Hi guys, it is REALME C17 and today I will show you how to add website shortcut icon to home screen on it. To do that, in the first step we must go to the website which we want to add to our home screen. In my case it would be hard reset info, and now we click the three dots on the right corner and go to the Add to home screen. Now we can choose name of our shortcut icon and click Add. Confirm all by Add. And now we have our shortcut icon at our home screen. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.